this is Simply Made Fancy. We're gonna do a quick little video because Easter Sunday is right around the corner, is in the next couple of days. And since we've been stuck at home because of this whole coronavirus, and most of our friends and family are also stuck at home, a lot of our Easter celebration is not gonna happen this year, but we're still gonna try to make it special, right guys? We had a bunch of stuff in our attic from Easter that I've been collecting the last couple of months and last year that I collected. So what did we decide?
We decided to give some goodie bags to the neighbors.
So yes, we decided to give some to our neighbors because we have a couple of neighbors around us that have children, and we had all this stuff, and since we were not going to have a big celebration this year with lots of family or friends, we are going to do little goodie bags with the things that we already have and take it to them and drop it off at the door. Of course, we are going to, where's my little spray? Clean our hands, make sure that we're not touching anything. Yeah, and then we'll make sure to spray everything. And this is my homemade DIY hand sanitizing spray, and it has the right amount of alcohol and essential oils and witch hazel, and it's perfect to sanitize all the other things that we're going to use for the basket because we don't want to hurt anybody, just in case, right? Just in case. So we have a bunch of stuff.
And candy.
And candy. We were able to go out and buy some candy at Target. So we bought a big bag of candy. And in the baskets, we have a couple of the things that we found in our attic that we're going to use. Of course, you need some of this green stuff, right? I always save it and use it because most baskets, Easter baskets, have this green stuff, right? Have you noticed?
Like grass.
Like grass, yeah. So I always save mine and I put it in Ziploc bags. So we had that. We had tons of eggs left over from last year's little hunt.
And we had a golden one.
And yeah, we had a golden one somewhere. And you know what's funny is that we gave like double this amount to our church after Easter last year because they do a big egg hunt and we get a lot of, eggs back, but then we try to give it back to the church so that they can reuse it the next year. And but they canceled it, so I'm sure they're saving it for when we get a chance to do the egg hunt, right? But we still had this bag left over, so we're gonna use some to give to our neighbors and some for a little egg hunt that we'll do at home, right? Just for us. And then here I had bought in these a while back. I think these were, I'm actually not sure where I had gotten these. Maybe at Target one time but they're like these little bags. These little bags that look like bunnies. And then when you tie it, it looks like a bunny. And you can decorate it if you want to make it look more like a bunny with eyes. So we're gonna use these to put our goodies in. And then we have these Lamb of God. We actually got these last year at the church egg hunt, remember? Yeah. Each of us got one, but because we never used it, we just put it in the attic in a little Ziploc bag and sealed it. So now we're gonna get to use it and give back to people because we don't really use these. Also, we have
sanitizer.
Purell wipes. So I'm gonna put in each little bag some Purell wipes. And to cover all the bags, to take an extra precaution, we're gonna put them inside these clear bags and then seal it up and then wipe them off, okay? Yes, we're trying to keep everything safe and clean. So this is what we have. Oh, and we have these as well. I had gotten these. I have a collection of Peter Rabbit Easter things. So we have gotten these before as well. We might use those to put goodie bags. We have these little Easter coloring books. And we have some Easter crafts and things that we have here.
A lot of Easter things.
Yeah, we can give a lot. And we have some candy too. This is like a sugar candy and it's already in the little bags. So this is great, right guys?
Yeah, I'm gonna eat one of these.
So let's count. How many neighbors do we have? How many neighbors with kids?
We have the next door neighbor.
The next door neighbor.
The downstairs neighbor.
The downstairs neighbor.
Nicholas, Megan.
Megan. And then a couple of doors down, the 2 other little kids, right? And then across on the other side, we have some other 2 neighbors. So that's about 8 bags, 8 little goodie bags. Oh, and there's a baby neighbor that we don't know very well all the way down. So maybe like 9 bags. So let's just do 10 just in case, because some houses have more than 1 kid, right? Right? So let's do 10. And then like that we can...
Cats.
And they, okay, yeah, but cats are not kids.
No.
Okay? So maybe what we can do is, let's see what fits in these little baggies. So your job, this is your job, is to fill up all the eggs with candy. Remember, 1 piece of candy. So the bigger eggs, you can fit in the bigger pieces of candy. Okay? Oh, maybe this one doesn't work with this one. There it is. And the smaller eggs get the smaller pieces of candy. Okay, like this, look. You see?
Yeah.
All right. This took a little bit of a while, right, guys? It wasn't quick at all because these guys got into the candy. But we finally finished. They helped with filling up all the eggs with candy, and we have some for our own little egg hunt at home, right?
Yeah.
And this guy was taking a nap, so now he's up and he's, what, are you excited?
Yeah.
We put the gifts for our neighbors in these little bags so that it doesn't like get dirty outside or anything when we drop it off, and also to protect it from this little virus that's going on. And we put Purell so they know that it's safe and they can wipe off if they're afraid of anything. A little note that says who it's from, and then inside is a little lamb, some more candy, and what else did we put in there?
We put
Oh, and some stickers.
and eggs.
And an egg. So we have some more candy. So that's a little special treat. Are you think they're gonna like it, guys?
Yeah.
What do you think, Blake?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna be like the Easter fairies this year,
Yeah.
right?
We're gonna be like the Easter bunny.
We're the Easter bunny this year, dropping off gifts for everybody. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And what are you guys doing for your little gift ideas for Easter? Let us know, right? We would love to see some ideas. If you liked this video, please make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and check out some of our other videos.
Happy